Guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today I have a unboxing of a couple of bands by Aquan Band. Now before I continue, I'd like to let you guys know this channel thrives on you watching the videos, liking them and subscribing to this channel. That way you'll ensure my unbiased work. Alright, let's get this unboxing underway. So this is the box it came with, and I got a little message from them as well, which is very nice to see. Came in like this. Alright, let's get this out. So very nice. That stamp, very nice. I like it. What do you guys think? Comment below. Is it too flashy? Perfect. What do you... I like it. It's in paper. You can recycle paper really easily when you compare it to something like, let's say, plastic, you know. It's possible. Okay, I was trying not to tear it, but unfortunately it got torn. Now the two bands that I have for you today is the Highbury Sports and Leather Apple Watch strap in red and the Lond Luxury Apple Watch strap in khaki leather. They have got plastic bits around it. That would have been something nice if they didn't. So this is genuine leather. This is the first one that I named. It's got the size behind it as well. Now this is a 45mm watch. These are 42 and 44. I think maybe they need to update it as well. Let's see if they're going to fit. From what my knowledge says, it will. Okay, that's done. It's got a magnet here. That's the leather. I like to see how this feels because leather is such a thing. This doesn't feel like the same cheap leather from China. I've got a few bands and Longvedon comes to mind. I have looked at this. It looks a bit cheap, especially with these strings, but the strings look, other than that, the strings look nice. I'll be doing a proper review later. Longvedon and a few other bands that I've tried, the leather wasn't that great. What else do you get? That's it. You get a very soft box that you can keep and use it. Let's get to the next unboxing. Okay, so this is the next band. Let's look at it. Okay, so it's got silicone in the back. The silicone isn't as soft as what Apple has. Yeah, that's super soft. This is quite hard, feels almost plastic. Then you've got that leather pasted on top. Okay. Yeah. Alright, let's start off and see if the 44mm is going to fit the 45mm watch. So 44 does fit the 45, no issues at all. Okay, there you go. Perfect. Alright, let's try with 49. This is the Apple Watch Ultra. Now if you guys want to see the Apple Watch Ultra unboxing, please do click on top right hand corner. I'll be having that there, and later on when I do the review I'll have it there as well. You can check out the review for that. Now, from what I've been testing so far, this should fit in just fine. Okay, that's good. Alright, that's how it looks. Not too shabby at all. I like it. Alright, hang tight for my review of this item. Let me know in the comments what you thought about the unboxing. Thanks for watching it to the end. Take good care. Bye bye.